In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix your spatial wallpaper not working on iPhone. So step number one is to click and hold down anywhere on your home screen, click on edit in the top left hand corner, and then select edit wallpaper. Now from here, what we need to do is go over to photo, and then we want to choose a brand new photo, which is not spatial mode. Once we have done this, we can then choose another photo. So we then want to just click on done. You then want to go to your photos here, and then you want to find the photo which you want to make your wallpaper. Now, for example, if I click on this one, I'm going to click on the spatial at the top right hand corner. As you can see, this is now spatial scene. You then want to turn this off if it's already on, save this to your phone, and then again, you want to re-enable this. From here, what we simply need to do is we need to go down, we need to go back, click and hold down anywhere, click on edit wallpaper, and then you can then go to your photo, and then you can scroll through and click on the one that you want. Once we do this, that should then fix the problem where spatial scene is not working on your wallpaper.